Alright guys, we're recording. Perfect. Alright, so just quick little catch up. This is the second vlog of the year. We are really gonna be on the grind this year, working hard, growing, expanding to a bigger audience, just growing and expanding. So guys, what we're doing in today's vlog is we are gonna go for a short little ride, you know, get some air, have some fun. I have to keep looking behind me because I'm at the bank and I'm just seeing if anybody's pulling up behind me. I just started GoPro and everything, get it fired up. But yeah, we're just gonna go for a short ride, guys. So before we take off, please smash that like button right there. It's in the corner right there, guys. It's just a little thumbs up button. Just click on that real quick. It's free to do. It won't cost you a penny, I promise. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this summer. And throughout the winter, I'm still going to be posting vlogs and stuff, maybe just everyday life vlogs of what we do in our life or whatever, you know. I'll come up with something, guys. Last winter I just kind of pushed everything to the side and focused on gaming on my other channel, but I am really taking this to the next step, guys. We're going to grow this channel from 95 subscribers or 94 subscribers, I think we got something like that right now, all the way to 10,000 subscribers, guys. I'll be posting videos every day. I'll be posting short videos every day, unless it rains, then we cannot ride. But you know, guys, I'll be posting almost every day on the nice days. It's still April the 15th or something like that, so it's still warming up, guys. Yeah, guys, let's get on the road and let's do some vlogging, some riding, and let's go. Alright, perfect. We are still recording for sure, guys. Put this in the GoPro mount on my helmet. Hold on, short story, guys. The phone mount we just got. I stuck my phone in it, and this little thing that holds it down blocks half the camera. So I'm gonna get a GoPro, a new one, or I'm gonna see if this one can do it too. But I'm gonna get a new GoPro if this one cannot do it. And what it's gonna allow us to do, it's gonna allow us to live stream through the phone, but the camera is going to pick up the road, so you guys will be able to see us riding in the road and what's in front of us and all the fun stuff like that, guys. So I'm still going to go live on the bike this summer. This is something new that I thought about doing for the channel, and I will proceed to figure out how to do that. So I think it'd be pretty cool to go live while we're riding. All right, guys, let's hit the road and let's get riding. Thank you for your time, and let's go, guys. Maybe I'll throw on a non-copyright song. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to have it on for the whole video, because however long the video is, you know, I don't want that same song repeated, but I might throw something on. The bike's over there. I think I like the chin better. But you see the bike right here, and then if I look up, you can obviously see in front of us. And from me looking straight like this right now, I think you still see kind of in front of us. So look at that Dodge Charger. That's what I want. That's the car I want. exhaust pipe I put on my bike. I think it was the beginning of that summer I put it on. It sounds so nice, guys. This video is not sponsored by it, but it's Leo Vince. That's Leo Vince. V-I-N. If you got a bike and you want to check it out, highly recommend it. It sounds real good. And then I might do some how-to videos too, guys. Like, if you're new to riding and you want to learn how to use the clutch or how to shift gears properly, I might do some videos like that out there. And like I said, guys, I'm taking this year to a whole new level. Hey riders, we're about to expand. Hey riders is about to turn into a company. I'm gonna get merchandise made here shortly, guys, so I'll be posting that shortly. But we need to get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to get to 10,000 subscribers and bring it somewhere. So if you're a subscriber that came through the short speed, that saw my shorts in the short speed, thank you very much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Through the outlet. Why not? Why not, guys? Let's go through the outlet. Now for every video, guys, how long the video is, I don't know. It just depends on how long we ride for or how long the ride is. I mean, I might end the video like halfway through the ride and start another video. Look at that Dodge Charger, guys. If you guys get me to 1 million subscribers, I'll buy a Dodge Charger. Sponsored by Kawasaki, I will buy a bike. I'll buy a Kawasaki and I'll give it away to one of you guys. So if you want that to happen, you gotta subscribe to the channel, share it with all your friends and family, and we gotta get Kawasaki to sponsor us. That's really the only way it would happen, guys. I mean, maybe if they don't sponsor us, if we get to 1 million subscribers, then maybe we might be able to still do that. Oh, these speed bumps. Alright, you know, I don't know if it's legal, but I don't care. I'm going around this one. Look how, like, there's certain speed bumps that are just like, they stick out of the ground. They stick out. It's not like a long bump, it's like a short, high bump. It's actually real annoying. Alright, we gotta get back on the main road, guys. Our bike is heating up. You're going slow for a while. Just for the advice, if you're going slow, the bike tends to get a little hot. Another Dodge. Oh, doesn't she sound nice though? Stop sign again. We don't really have to stop. I'll just stop it. Stop sign again. Alright, let's get on the main road, guys. Let's get on the main road. Let's get on the main road. So she cooled down. See, she's already cooling down. Let's get back on the main road. I just want to ride through some outlets real quick. guy doing? What are you guys doing tonight? Let me know in the comments. Y'all know what I'm gonna be doing? I'll tell you what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be editing a video for you guys. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be editing the video for yesterday's ride. So that'll be Saturday's ride. I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna upload that. Why did I not upload that on Saturday when we done the ride on Saturday? It was supposed to be uploaded Saturday, but my laptop was dead, and short story, it would not upload to my desktop PC. I have a gaming PC, so it's a real nice PC, but I think I need to clear up some memory. All this gaming content I've been making for my other channel, God, it was takes a lot of space, and that's why I would not export from the GoPro. I thought it was going to be a GoPro difficult or issue, but thank gosh it was not. What are you doing, buddy? I have a GoPro on. Come on, drive smarter. I do that kind of slammed on his brakes as he was going right. I don't know why. Here we're in front of Target. The bike is heating up again. It's not a bad thing if it's heating up, guys. It just means we're going 25 miles per hour. It has no wind circulation through the engine on the Z400. On the Z400, it tends to do that. It's not bad. It's not like there's anything wrong with your bike, but the less air circulation through the engine, the hotter it's going to get. Obviously, common sense. Let's hit 10K subscribers this year. Let's just pull over right here real quick. Take the GoPro off my helmet real quick and see where this video's at. minutes. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna call this video right here, this vlog, this ride, whatever y'all want to call it. But if you guys enjoyed this ride, it is a real nice day out today. super nice out. It's like 80 degrees right now. It's awesome. If you guys enjoyed this ride, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification button. How you do that real quick, I'll explain to you before we go. You hit the subscribe button, you hit that little arrow below the subscribe button, you click on it, and you do that after you're subscribed. You click on the arrow down below, and then you see a little bell notification, you hit all notifications, so that means you'll get notified anytime we upload a ride. So anytime we upload a ride, you'll get notified of it. So guys, you are amazing. Let's hit 10,000 subscribers. If you're a subscriber that came to this video off the shorts feed, like if you found my channel through the shorts feed, I appreciate you a lot. You're amazing. And if you guys ever see me out in public in real life, don't be afraid to come say hi. I'll love to say hi to y'all. And yeah, I'll see you around, guys. Peace.